Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So there was some voting going on and it appears that you guys would like me to start Christmas crafts early. So without further ado, this is going to be a tutorial about making some tags for presents. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'm going to show you what they look like now. So firstly, I've got this one. So I sort of went with the colour. It did turn out a bit orangey than I wanted it to. But to be honest, I didn't really sort of have a design in place until I just started it. So you can stamp them with anything, as I showed you, and then pop some mica powder and glitter, and they are really, really that easy. And then just for the extra jingle, as you can hear, I put some little bells on because I just think that's a really, really sweet look. So that's number one. So let's go with number two. So this one is more blingy. So I really like a bit of bling. Hopefully the camera is picking this up well enough. Let's just get it in the right position. Hopefully the camera is picking this up. Okay, so it's a little star obviously, and then an absolute ton load of glitter, and then a few little gems at the top there, and I think they're sort of like beading casings on them, and I just think they look really sweet. So, and then of course this one has got a bell on as well, and I'm not really sure what gave me the idea of putting the bells on, but because it's sort of a Christmassy thing, you know, having the bells, that sort of thing, I thought I'd just give it a go, and this actually worked quite well. So this is number two. So on to the third one. I really like this. I think it's just got a really, really sweet look. Looks a bit like a present, and then obviously the little words on it saying mum, I think. Personalising the tags, I think I actually prefer, rather than just a few patterns. But obviously you can, you know, identify a present with just a few patterns, so you'll know who it's for, but they won't, and then they can keep the tag after. But I particularly like the ones that are personalised, because I just think they've got such a sweet look. And obviously I did the bow as well. Bows are really, really easy. If you're not too sure or you didn't see that well enough, I can do another bow tutorial. Just let me know in the comments. And then on this one, I think because I liked it more than I did the others, I put 2 bells on this one. So there we go. So this is how you make Christmas tags, birthday tags for presents from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Decorative anyway. I don't know what to say about this one because I don't like it. Thanks for watching this. So this is number 3. Now this is also upside down. So this is number 3. So I really like this. Now I think it's